Good morning. My name is Julio Castillo. I live in Corozal, Sucre. My neighborhood is San Francisco, and my town have many important places. There is a park vendors in the world. They are responsible for seeing meals and snacks for children. There is a police station, and that was the police station. There are many schools, teachers in the institution work and sell snacks for the rest of the students. There are several many gas stations, sell gasoline, and there is vendor work. There is a course. This course works the price and service the community, and this course is close to my house. There is a hospital, that hospital doctor and nurse work. In Montau there are my doctor, there sell medicines and pharmacy work. Many restaurant, those restaurants sell food and work the chef. There are about people I mean on my village. There is courthouse where whose work. Uh, this is Corozal. Thank you.